The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2023 Chevrolet Blazer with the factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero base rack system. This is made up of the Vortex Aero load bars, 50 inches in length, the low profile locking leg, part number RCL4, and vehicle specific fitting kit RCP66-BK. So all of that combined has a total weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds evenly distributed. This rack system, while has a flush rail, there are fixed points on the inside that the rack connects to, so the bars are at a fixed distance center to center. So overall, a great rack for all different sorts of gear, bikes, kayaks, cargo, etc. So anyway, this is a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.